What's this?
The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Allegheny County until 8 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Belfast or 12 miles north of Wellsville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alfred, Belfast, Friendship, Belmont, Angelica, Canasser-Rega, Almond, West Almond, and Birdsall. This includes Interstate 86 between exits 29 and 33. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm.